Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Laura here. Today I'm on my floor. Yeah, excuse the background noise. The whole fan band is out there. They're loud, so yeah. Today I'm on my floor.
It's very freaking hot.
I can't put on any fans when I'm filming. Hashtag relatable, am I right, fellow YouTubers? Because the fan's too loud and it's just gonna ruin the audio and stuff, you know, so yeah. Today I'm coming at you guys with a back to school clothing haul. I know I'm late, very late, to sit down and film this bad boy for you guys. I'm really freaking busy. I'm sorry, that's the plain hard truth, guys. I'm busy. I'm a high school student again, so, you know, priorities.
Education always comes first.
No, but seriously, I've been really busy, so I haven't had any time to make videos, and I really wanted to do a back to school clothing haul because if you didn't know, that was one of my like third or fourth videos to like blow. The very first back to school clothing haul I ever did on my channel did really well. It was very successful. So I try to do them now, you know, because I was successful with that one, so I'm like hoping like my other ones will be successful, but they really haven't been that successful. So maybe this one will be successful. I don't know, probably not because I'm uploading it really late. Anyways, today I have a Princess Polly back to school clothing haul. Thank you to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. They always hook it up. They always send really cute clothes over. Princess Polly is my favorite store in the whole entire world. If you ever meet me, if you ever see me, if you ever want to be my friend and you think I have a really cute outfit and you're like, oh my god girl, where do you shop or where do you get clothes from? I'm gonna tell you it's Princess Polly because it's literally Princess Polly every single time. I literally only wear Princess Polly. I'm a proud advocate for Princess Polly. I love them. My dream is to like maybe like do like a clothing line with them or something. So like Princess Polly, if you're watching this and you're like, oh my god, we need to partner with someone because the Olivia Jade thing didn't really work out, you know, you're all looking at her. But anyways, so thank you again to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. All the clothing that you will see will be linked down below in the description box. Along with, I do have a coupon code for 20% off as always. The code will be right here and down below. It is just Laura in all caps with 2 X's in caps as well. Princess Polly also does have free 2-day shipping to all US orders over $500. My dumbass self really said over $500. It is $50. Over $50. I'm so sorry. Along with, they offer AfterPay, which is actually really cool, to all US customers. So yeah, like I said, everything will be down below, including my social media, which you should follow me on there. So yeah, let's get started. So the very first thing I got was actually what I'm wearing. What a quinkety. Let me sit up so you can see this. Oh, boobies. So I just picked up a simple black tank top. This is honestly so cute. I've gotten literally so many compliments on this already. My school thankfully doesn't have that bad of a dress code. Last year we didn't even have a dress code, but this year they actually enforced one. You can't have quote unquote midriff showing. Today I wore this with some high-waisted mom jeans and I didn't get dress coded, so I mean, yeah. But if you are worried about getting dress coded, it's definitely cute to wear on the weekends. It is still so hot where I live. It was literally 111 degrees the first day of school, and now like the rest of the week it's been 100, 102, so it gets very hot. So I definitely need tank tops, crop tops, shorts, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, this is really cute, really simple, really comfy, a staple, definitely a staple. So the next thing I got, I just want to quickly show this because I feel like I'm gonna lose these. I picked up were some earrings. I personally love Princess Polly's jewelry. I'm very picky with my jewelry. I like to spend my money with my jewelry because I want it to last. When it comes to earrings, I have really sensitive ears. I need good quality stuff, you know? So I normally spend my dollars. Dollar make me holla, honey boo boo. These ones I picked up are just some bee studs. I'm gonna try to show you these the best way I can. This is just a little bumblebee. Dropped it. When I originally ordered these bumblebees, I thought they were cherubs. I have a cherub I'm wearing right now. My earrings, by the way, my earrings and my necklace are from Princess Polly. This was just like a different order. I thought the bees were cherub, but they're not. But I still wore these, just some regular studs, and then in my second hole I'll put my little bees in. So these are really cute. They're gold plated, which, you know, sensitive ears. That's good for the sensitive ears. I'm just gonna go over my accessories because they're right here and that's just, you know, easier to get out of the way. Next thing that I picked up was a new pair of sunglasses. I love sunglasses, honestly. I like weird sunglasses. Like, I like very different sunglasses, you know, something that you're like, oh, okay, her glasses are unique, you know? But I let people borrow them, which is my biggest mistake. People always break them. So these are from the brand ROC. I've never really heard of this brand. These are the glasses. Let me just say, I think they're in the color gray. These are the nicest pair of sunglasses I've ever owned. Like, meaning quality wise, like these are sturdy. I look like a bad bitch in these. And it comes with a little cleaning thing as well. It comes with a holder and it comes with a little dust baggie as well. These are so cute, dude. I have not worn these yet, but I'm going to see Post Malone here soon, and I think I'm going for a pretty cray-cray outfit, guys. So I think I'm gonna wear these. The next thing that I picked up was a new wallet. I haven't had a wallet for a very long time. My last wallet got stolen. When my car got broken into, it got stolen. So yeah, it was in there. So I finally just was like, you know what? I need to get a wallet. This is the same brand that my little black backpack is. So I was like, oh, I'll get the matching wallet, you know? Okay, moving on to clothes. I got some cute clothes. So the first two items, you're probably gonna be like, what the hell? You're not gonna wear that to school. But I mainly got these because I'm going to see yours truly, Post Malone, next month. You guys know I'm a diehard Posty fanatic. He has been my man
For a good fat chunky minute now.
So the very first outfit, or the very first top I got, is a little loud, okay? It just looks like this. This is the Nelda top. I got this in a US size 2. She's tiny. She's a little tiny top. She ties right here and you can like adjust the size and it ties down. Post Malone, when you think of Post Malone, you think of I think of like neon colors. I think of orange, honestly. He seemed like an orangey guy, you know? So I was like, oh yes, Post Malone. This with some mom jeans, my new glasses, some heels maybe. Oh, it's a look. Let me tell you, it's a look. And one thing I love about Princess Polly, no matter what, like literally pretty much probably 99% of their tops have adjustable straps. So the next thing that I got was this top. She's bright. I'm getting, you know, Nickelodeon vibes from these two. So this is my second option for the concert. This top, on the other hand, does not have adjustable straps, but this is really good quality, guys. Like, she's thick. She's a thick top. Like, hi, Post Malone, you know? So the next thing that I picked up was just this white tee. I think every girl needs a white crop tee in their closet. I sweat a lot.
Shout out to my hyperhidrosis gals out there.
But this is just a white t-shirt. This isn't even cropped. This is like a full t-shirt. Like, who am I? I only wear crop things. And then on the sides it has little ties, so very school appropriate. So the next thing I got was a kind of tube top dealio. I kind of regret getting this, honestly, because I don't think I'll ever wear this, but I got it anyway. This is the Kaya top in beige. Once again, a size 2. Thankfully, it zips up on the side. It's really confusing to like look. I tried it on and I was just like, I don't know if this is gonna work. But yeah, I do like it. Hopefully I'll make it work. The next thing that I picked up was a set. This is the top of the set. It just is red, has little flowers. It buttons up. It's really cute. And then the bottom just look like this. It's a skirt, which I'm so excited to wear the skirt. I don't think, honestly, I'm gonna wear the two together. Like, I like them separately. I don't know. I feel like if I wear a set, my life looks a little too put together. So the next thing that I picked up was this off-the-shoulder long sleeve. So because I've been waking up literally at the crack of dawn for school, as y'all know, it's cold in the mornings sometimes, and I'm like cold, but then I get really hot. So I was like, oh my god, this is a good little thing, you know, like a good little dealio we have going on. So it's an off-the-shoulder long sleeve. I've only seen like the off-the-shoulder look has been really poppin' this summer, but I'm like, why don't we bring this back in winter, you know? This is cropped, but it's not too cropped. I did wear this to school last week. I felt different. I felt unique. I was like, nobody has this top. Literally nobody. You guys all have the short sleeves. I felt like a baddie. I felt like a bad bitch. I felt like I was like about to do some choreography in this. The next thing that I got was a black long sleeve because, you know, it's gonna be sweater weather before you know it, you know? This is the keyhole crop top in a size 2. I thought on the website this was just a regular black crop top, but no, party in the back, guys. She's open backed. So I was like, okay, how am I gonna wear this at school? So I guess we're gonna have to free the nipple with this one, which I don't even care. So the next thing that I got was a skirt, and I'm really excited about this skirt, you guys, because when you have a big booty, you know the struggle of buying skirts because it doesn't fit the butt or it doesn't fit the waist or vice versa. So this one I was like, ooh, maybe this will work. This is a full zipper, guys. This fits me pretty much like a glove. This is the best skirt I've ever owned in my whole life. The last skirt I got from Princess Polly was like $110 and it fits, but it's still big, honestly. Like, I definitely should probably go get it altered, just being that it's so expensive. This one is from like the actual Princess Polly brand and I got it in a size 2. The very last thing I got was a new pair of mom jeans. These, I've been eyeing these for a while. Never ended up getting them, honestly. They've been sold out a couple times that I've tried getting them, but these are just ripped jeans. They are a little bit big, so I washed these, tried in hot water, so I'm trying to shrink them right now. I still haven't tried them on, so I mean, obviously their mom jeans are going to be a little baggy, but they're like kind of like more baggy than I want. But yeah, I'm hoping these work out because they are a beautiful wash. I love the wash. The holes are really cute. So that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. We've recently gained a lot of subscribers, so hi if you are new here. I hope you're enjoying my video so far. Thank you so much, Princess Polly, for sponsoring this video. I love working with you guys. You guys are literally my favorite brand to work with, and I hope I can work with you guys more again in the future. Comment down below your staple back to school item. But yeah, guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.